Since may anak ka na po, would you let them have the same gaming childhood that you had before?
Of course. Papa-Elden Ring ko yan.
Oh,
At age 3.
grabe.
Yung effect ng gaming sa young people. Mangyayari ba talaga yun? Like if you play a shooting game na full of gore, magre-reflect ba sa personal life mo yun? How you interact with people?
As a gamer myself, small percentage. Depende sa kalaro nila. If your friend is hurting people, you might join him also. It's either tayo yung nai-influence or tayo yung bad influence.
Bad company corrupts good character.
Best case scenario, you play with your children.
For other
At least be beside them.
So kahit hindi ka gamer, dapat binabantayan mo pa rin yung anak mo talaga. Hindi pwedeng screen parenting na nagsiselfone ka rin, nagsiselfone din yung anak mo.
Ang importante talaga dun is, as a parent, you know where they are and sino kalaro nila. For example, you leave a kid in a playground. Pag may nag-approach na stranger, which is yun nangyayari sa digital
Digitalism
ngayon.
online.
Iniiwan mo yung anak mo sa digital playground nang hinahayaan mong may stranger na lumapit sa kanya na hindi mo alam kung bata or matanda. If ever your son is already playing those games, you need to explain, like, you don't leave your child on a playground and ask a terrorist to play with them.